No doubt, no pout. Let's figure it out. Welcome back, guys. Today we have the most powerful topic of this century, that is artificial intelligence. The question raises here, what is artificial intelligence? So, the answer is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially the intelligent computer programs. According to John McCarthy 1955. Another definition that I have got from various sources, that is artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to reason, learn and act autonomously. So we have three verbs in it: reason, learn and action. What is reason in it? The ability to use logic and reasoning to solve any problem. We have a great example if you have used the artificial intelligence tool, that is ChatGPT, Bard. These days we have a lot of tools that are explicitly programmed, that is not explicitly programmed, sorry. These tools are the great example of reasoning, learning. We have a subfield of artificial intelligence, that is reinforcement learning, where we do what? When we train model and then ask question from it, the model answers, and we give model a reward, as we give rating to the applications in the mobile phone. We give model a reward. From that reward, model tell itself that how much it is applicable, how much it should improve its performances over time. That is the great example for learning of an artificial intelligence. The word it we have used in the above definition above. Another word we have gotten, that is action. The ability to take action in the real world, such as controlling a robot or a decision. As we have robots, they by computer vision techniques, by getting them sensors into it, by getting cameras installed in them, in the robots, that would be a great example for understanding actually the word act autonomously used in the definition. So, according to human psychology, the incentives of anything we saw, we attract to that. So, I have also gotten the incentives of artificial intelligence. According to McKinsey Global Institute, it is a global renowned institute, famous institute. They have said that 13 trillion by 2030 are the incentives of artificial intelligence. You would have to ask yourself that how much you want from these 13 trillion, because the world is going to make 13 trillion till 2030. This might be more, but not get the less. You have to ask a question today from yourself, that how much do you want from it? This is the very much greater value, the incentive of artificial intelligence till 2030. Now we have the usages of artificial intelligence. The usages of this artificial intelligence technology is vast, very much vast in every field of our daily life. Let's get started from banking and personal finance, the grace of artificial intelligence in the transportation, to making the transportation totally autonomous without driver. Without driver. Have you listened? Without driver, we can use car, we can use trucks. That is the blessing of artificial intelligence. till the world has we have got this world. Blessing of artificial intelligence in retail spaces, blessing of artificial intelligence in education, grace of artificial intelligence in communication. We have a lot of other than these we have listed here. Now, what you should have to do, you should have to research on the usages of artificial intelligence. You should have to Google. While Googling, you should have to know that in which field you are working. So how much you can automate your job, how much you can automate your business. You should have to learn from it. There are a lot of usages. Take a screenshot of it and search on it, research on it, research on it. Research is the only key to get success in any new field. Research, research, and research on your field in which you are doing your job. Automate your job today with the help of artificial intelligence. It has the power, it has the potential as well. Now, by looking the incentives, by looking the usages, by looking at what is artificial intelligence actually, congratulations if you are out of your comfort zone. You should get out of your comfort zone if you want these 13 trillion or 1 trillion from it, $1 trillion from it. If you want $1 trillion from it, you should get out of your comfort zone. This comfort zone will not let you to get that $1 trillion. If you want $12 trillion, you should be here. Congratulations if you're out of your comfort zone. Take insight from this image and let yourself know that while you are here, whether you are here, either you are here or you are here, these all are the aspects you should have if you are out, if you are in a growth zone. Take a screenshot of it and let yourself know that where are you right now and where you should be right now to get these 13 trillion, because the world gonna take it as soon as it is possible. So get connected with us. We are soon starting a great course on artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? How we can make development in artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, and many more things. Regression model, classification models. We would learn TensorFlow, Seaborn, Python in it. Python is actually the very much powerful language for the development of artificial intelligence, for the development of AI models. So stay connected with us. We will soon start our course on artificial intelligence. Share it with your when we thank you. Stay connected. 30. This might be more, but